today we're going on an airboat ride. We're going on an airboat ride. We're going on an airboat ride. Going on an airboat ride.
All right, y'all. So we are heading to Everglades. They have this really cool airboat ride where you get on a boat with a big old fan in the back and you ride with like the alligators. The alligators or crocodiles, Daddy?
Alligators.
It's alligator. So you're gonna ride with the alligators, and yeah, it's supposed to be super cool. I haven't been on one in like 10 years.
9
years. Okay, excuse me, 9 years. So yeah, we are all like just super hyped to go. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button. And if you really do enjoy it, share, because sharing is caring. And without further ado, we're gonna start our ride. All right, y'all, we made it. We at the holiday park.
We made it.
We made it.
We made it. We made it. We made it. Made it. Made it. We 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 made it.
We made it.
We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Hey, we made it.
Got our wristbands for the airboat ride.
What's up?
Bruh, I'm so mad that we missed it, but we just saw a boat that just came out from over there, started drifting. Here, it's right there. It's right there. It says no fishing allowed. No fishing allowed.
We about to go on our airboat ride. Yeah. Our airboat ride. Our airboat ride.
My second time being on an airboat.
Yeah, we almost missed the boat. It was at 16 and we went to go sit down, and then we just heard final call for 22, which is us. So yeah, we almost missed it.
No, my last ride was probably the best. I had 6 of the 8 alligators I was looking for. So we're gonna go out there and do it all over again. Woo! I spin the boat in a circle on the wild one. I spin twice on each alligator so everybody can get a picture. You can stand up, slide up.
Não pode encostar nas plantas nem na água.
He said
Let's go!
Do it. Folks, do not touch the roof of this boat. It's 160 degrees. So how many of you did it, right? Oh.
The top of the boat.
You know, I'm going to put this cushion over. Wow, that's
Get already?
Yeah, when I go around the corner here, I want y'all to look to your left real quick, okay? An alligator called Maxwell under the shade of his favorite tree. And then he's going to come this way to come home. And there are the trees on the west side of the canal. There's 4 pond that were...
T-Rex.
Everybody. Wear protective clothing, long sleeve, long pants. See, a flyby. That's an American black culture. I guess we upset them. First river in the country. Isn't that pretty? Yep. I wish I could run you out there.
Yeah, please.
I'd never find you right back. Oh well.
Charm.
Y'all gonna eat now?
No, try to consider.
Y'all, there's chips there.
Oh,
Give me that water.
here.
There's
It is a hot, hot day today in Florida. What's the temperature gauge read? Was it like 98 or 100?
93 in my car.
Ooh, 93. Feel the
Here. Y'all can take up all the space. I usually be standing. I go sit up there in the front.
If you have any questions while waiting, alligators, crocodiles, sharks, bears, big cats, women. Well, you don't think I know? Trust me, girl, I know. It's yes dear, no dear, you're right, I'm wrong.
That's right.
Here's my wallet, you look good and everything.
That's right.
Flowers every 2 weeks from the florist, not the supermarket, you
That's
cheapskate.
right. That's right.
And 5 good vacations a year, not some smelly in July
That's
at the
right.
tail end of a pandemic. Come on,
That's right.
up your game.
That's right.
It's all right, girl. These documentaries I filmed over the years, you may notice a different reaction between the gators and crocs you may have seen me catch on television and the gators you see in this pit. If I get this close to a wild alligator or crocodile, it's going to do one of two things. I guarantee you neither of which is this. He's going to either make some huge explosive move to attack me, but that would be out of self-defense. That would be them thinking, I'm the threat, I'm the predator. But more than likely, for that same reason, they would make an equally explosive move, but only to escape. Either way, there'll be some massive explosion of energy. Massive explosion of energy.
Oh, wow.
Love you. These guys don't do a whole lot of that stuff. They don't do that because almost every gator in this pit, thanks. Almost every gator in this pit has been here long enough to realize that I'm not going to hurt them.
They don't do
Once
it
that
till
kind of
they do
settles
it.
in, there's no real motivation to make these huge explosive movements they're so famous for. Every time you see a wild alligator or a crocodile, for that matter, making those explosive movements, that's absolutely exhausting for the animal. These guys are ectothermic or cold-blooded, so they really only have a handful of those moves in them before their bodies begin to build up with lactic acid. Eventually, they can barely move. So if these guys all know that the worst possible outcome that could ever happen is me sitting on their back over here for like 10 minutes, telling some really bad jokes, it's not worth fighting me all out for the next 15 minutes, then being totally exhausted for the next hour or two while the lactic acid slowly remetabolizes. It's just not worth the trade-off. If there's one thing they're good at, besides ruining my life, it's conserving energy. You look at a good-sized gator like Mr. Fahrenheit, Debo, Snoopy, Darth Gator. These guys can easily go 4 or 5 months with no food at all. This is what they do for a living. They're really, really good at it. It doesn't mean they love me, or we're friends, or we take windy walks together at night. Trust me, Fahrenheit doesn't love me. Not like he used to. You know, I still remember a time when you and I would we used to sit, we would talk for hours. You know, and now I kind of feel like we don't even communicate. Look, even now, I'm trying to reach out, you withdraw. I said, I can't fix this if I don't know what's working. Please say something. I'm giving up on you. You know what the really sad part is? The sad part is I have these conversations with Fahrenheit. Nobody else is even here.
That's your friend.
Now again, they don't like me. They obviously don't really dislike me. This is actually a lot like my parents' house around Christmas. Everybody just kind of tolerates me. because they feel obligated why you came. My favorite one is, how come they're not moving? As everyone sits motionless in their seats. No one ever sees the irony and audacity of that question as it flies out of their face.
Their face.
You guys have any questions about people who don't ask questions? Like, how come they're not moving? What do you feed them? You haven't been? Are they on drugs? Probably. It looks like Ambien or something. I think 90% of them have a stroke.